If you're not forcing me, and I don't sign this, what's the problem?
You don't want to sign?
No, I'm just asking, because you're not making sense. You should get your ears checked, because I'm speaking clearly.
I know, you're not speaking loud enough. Maybe it's the window, I don't know.
My window's down far enough.
I'm sorry, what?
My window is down far enough.
Oh, okay.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video starts as Officer Rodriguez is asking for the required documents to be presented during a traffic stop.
1000 block North Woodland Boulevard, only 10:15.
About 2 minutes away.
Running.
I'll put it with the tempo.
I need the remainder of the documents that I requested.
Charlie 22.
522.
225 with us. Tony Dixon, good. Just give him a call.
10-4, just signal 14, 21, get the 707.
And also, just to mention, when you came out of that stop sign, you didn't have your seatbelt on. Okay.
Sir,
I still need the other documents, sir. This is the fourth time that I've asked you for it.
I'm not sure that I have it, sir.
I'm sorry?
I'm not sure that I have it.
You're not sure, or you don't have it?
I can't find it. I have it somewhere.
Okay, so
This
you don't
vehicle
have...
This vehicle is registered.
Okay, you just don't want to provide it, or you don't have it?
I'm not sure if I have it with
Okay,
me.
would you like to look?
I just looked, sir.
You just look?
Yes.
Okay.
I know I haven't. I just can't seem to find it.
Florida law requires that upon request, you need to display it, okay? All right. And how do you pronounce your name?
Cable.
Cable?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Cable. Is this your current address?
That's what it says, yes.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's what it says, yes.
So it is your current address? Okay. Go ahead and stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back, okay?
Alright.
The purpose of the question, "Is this your current address?" is usually disguised by the intent of mailing you information about your citation and your future court appearances. However, the true motivation is to add penalties. The more infractions an officer can hold over someone's head, the more likely it is that they will comply. In Florida, you must update your license after a change of residence or mailing address within 30 days of the move. If you answer no to the question, "Is this your current address?" it is usually followed by, "When did you move?" and an answer of 30 days ago or more could result in additional charges. A few moments later, the officer returns.
I need you to roll down your window again, please. Can you go ahead and...
I don't, I just got it fixed and it's not completely...
No, sir, I need you to roll down your window.
This is enough, sir.
I'm sorry?
This is,
No, I need you to roll down your window a little bit further, please. At the same level that it was earlier when I get out with you.
This was...
No, it wasn't. It was much lower.
This is fine, sir.
Okay.
As we've covered many times on the channel, there is no law that dictates how far a window must be rolled down. Keep in mind that because of the Supreme Court ruling of Pennsylvania v. Mims, an officer can legally order you out of your vehicle, and often will if you do not roll your window all the way down as asked.
You have 3 citations here. Here's your documents and your driver's license. First citation is for failure to stop at a stop sign properly. Have your sign right there where the X is at?
What happens if I don't want to sign?
The answer is simple. In Florida, any person who willfully refuses to accept and sign a summons commits a misdemeanor of the 2nd degree. However, the officer cannot be honest with the driver and relay that information.
If you don't want to sign?
Yeah.
Well, you have the choice of not signing.
Well, I don't want to sign it.
You don't want to sign?
No.
Okay. Let me have the pen, please. Okay. Give me a moment. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
A few minutes later, the officer returns with an added citation.
Get this other cop too, he's all up on my side over 2 seconds.
Yes.
Just to mention again, and just to give you an opportunity to think about it, it is a criminal misdemeanor if you don't sign, okay? So it's your choice.
It's a criminal?
It's a criminal misdemeanor.
You just said I didn't have to sign it.
Oh, you don't? I can't force you to sign. So if
What happens if I don't sign it?
Well, you'll be charged, with failure to sign a traffic summons.
Okay, well, I guess I'll sign it.
You could be arrested.
I could be, but it's not. You don't know.
If you don't sign.
But it's not. You don't know.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Like, you mean I could be? Like it's possible, or I will be?
Oh, you either sign or you don't sign. Which one would you like to do? I already explained it to you.
Yeah, I guess I'll just sign it.
Okay, I'm gonna write up another citation for your first time refusal. Okay, but on the
How is it a
second one,
refusal? You told me I didn't have to sign it.
Just
sir.
give me a moment.
At this point, it's clear that the officer's intentions are not wholly good, and again, a few moments later, he returns with more citations.
Okay, sir. These are your copies of the
Right
citations
back.
that you refused to sign.
Did I refuse to sign?
Yep.
You gave me the option, sir, on camera. I have it on camera, sir.
It is your option. It's your.
How am I if it's my option, don't I have an option to refuse? And how am
You
I
do.
being recited for an option you gave me?
Sir, you have the right to refuse, and you took that.
If it's a right, why am I being charged for exercising a right that you just gave me?
Well, because I can't force you to sign.
So why are you forcing me?
But it is required for you to sign.
Then,
Okay.
if it's
So, if you'll sign right here, this one is for failing to sign those three over there.
failing to,
It's just.
I only
it's just
failed to
saying-
sign one, sir.
Will you go ahead and sign this one, sir?
I will sign it under duress.
I'm sorry?
I will sign it under duress.
Under duress?
Yeah.
Well, once again, sir, I'm not forcing you to sign it. I'm just telling you that it is required of you to sign.
Then how am I being forced if it's required?
Well, Florida statute says that it's required. So,
Well,
but I'm not forcing you.
if you're not forcing me and I don't sign this, what's the problem?
You don't want to sign?
No, I'm just asking because
Okay.
you're not making sense.
While in Florida, you must legally sign a traffic citation. It is wise to thoroughly read anything you are about to apply your signature to.
Don't you think it's gonna look a little bad when I sign the citation that says I
I'm
failed?
sorry, I can't hear you.
Don't you think it's gonna look a little bad when I sign the citation that says I failed to sign a citation?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I will, you should get your ears checked because I'm speaking clearly.
I know you're not speaking loud enough. Maybe it's the window loud enough.
You have my window's down far enough.
I'm sorry, what?
My window is down far enough.
Oh, okay. So what was your question?
Don't you think it's gonna look a little weird when I sign the citation
Did you sign it? Okay.
and it says failed? I'm still reading it, sir.
Sir,
I'm still reading it.
did you sign it? I'll explain it to you in just a moment.
I'd like to read what I signed, sir.
Okay, I'll explain it to you. Can I have my pen?
It's your pen, yeah.
Okay. This is a criminal citation.
It's a criminal? Did I commit a crime?
You'll receive a notice by mail of when to appear in court.
By mail?
Okay? By mail.
Will it be certified?
I couldn't tell you, sir. I've never received one.
Who will be sending it?
The Volusia County or the state. Okay.
Doesn't it just tell me on the back?
Nope, you'll receive it by mail.
So this is a criminal offense,
That is.
but I didn't hurt anybody. I didn't breach a contract. Correct?
You didn't breach a contract?
Yes.
Well, you having a driver's license and driving or traveling as you stated. In a
Yeah,
vehicle?
traveling. I have the
Okay.
documents.
Okay.
And I will be filing an affidavit.
Okay. All right. Oh, just be careful pulling out, okay?
I suppose business card.
Make sure you put
business
it on the
card.
seatbelt.
Business card. Business.
Can I have a business card?
Sure. Hang on a second.
Yeah. And for your partner too.
There you go, sir. And that's the.
Can I have one for your partner too as well?
I'm sorry?
For their partner too as well?
For my partner?
Yes.
What would you like with him?
A business card.
It's the same business card.
It's you guys both Rodriguez?
I am.
60. Is he Rodriguez number 61?
Well, he has nothing to do with the.
He is here, sir, and you called back up. I would like a business card from him, sir. You require.
Okay, well,
Can I speak to him? Can you send him over here? Can I have a business card, sir?
My business?
Yes. Go get it.
Another car coming through. We cannot.
This Dodge ain't get through.
This Dodge ain't getting shit.
Thank you, sir.
The amount of visible disdain for the general public these officers show in their demeanor is disgusting. Unfortunately, I do not know the department featured, but it is likely that your local officers are no different. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.